Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Trike7, back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscriber, was popping. And for the one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. So how y'all doing, guys? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing good. Like I always say, any situation you in, guys, always pray and always keep your head up. All right. So in today's video, we got something going on. We will be working on a trike, on a lowrider trike, bicycle, a women's Schwinn frame. Okay, guys. So this is gonna be a difficult job that we're gonna be doing. You know, let's get to it. Let's get to the video real quick. All right, guys. So right now we got the frame. We got mostly a lot of the parts here that we're gonna be added on to the frame. It's gonna be a trike. Alright guys, so what we did right now is we switched out the two. As you can see, it came out with a smaller one, which is small. 20 is for 20 years, this is for 24, 26 inch right here. And this is the fork that we're gonna be added on. The tube, I took it off from this fork right here, so hopefully I can replace this whenever I get my money back. But yeah, that's what we got going on. We got the bearings going on right now. Bear with me, guys. I have the bulletproof heater on. Bulletproof. I have the bullet heater on that is a little chilly in here, so I got that on. Right here I got it greased up, top and bottom. So we're gonna install this right now real quick. Alright guys, so we got bad news. Bad news we have. So I cannot install this 20-inch fork with this 26-inch tube, because look, it will not reach. I could try to finesse it and drill a hole, but I don't know. I'll just have to probably go with the straight fork. We'll see. Let's check it out. So guys, I finally figured out a way to install this fork into this frame right here. As you can see, this one right here, this ring, flipped it upside down to make it fit. I still gotta tighten it, but this is just to show ya, you know, there's ways to do things. So I flipped it upside down to do it, and I added an extended fork. Extended crown. So now we get to play. What you guys think? So right now we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna be getting the trike set, and we're gonna be added on the trike set right now. All right. I'm excited. We're gonna be coming here to the junkyard and getting the. Right there we have the trike set. We're gonna be getting that, installing it. What you guys think? You let me know. As you can see right here with this, we put wire tape on it so it will not mess up the paint. Okay guys, we finally got somewhere. It was tough, you know, but I had to use that cooler just to stand it up because I couldn't put it right here because it would have been too heavy. It would have been a little bit more complicated. But we got it done, and we're gonna put on the rims. I'm gonna have to clean the rims, but you know what? we got it taken care of. We're gonna put the front rim and then the back rim. All right, guys, so after all the things I was doing, fixing, doing this, doing that, all right, this is what I got. All right, don't be laughing, don't make fun of me, don't nothing. Listen, this is what I got. All right, I don't know why it's that low. You know, I'm thinking it's the fork. It's too low. You know, I think I need to change this part right here. It might be just the fork. I don't know, because look, this is dangling. You can see that. That's dangling. Maybe because I got to put the tires on. But it's still too low. You feel me? Like, I don't know. What you guys think, man? Let me know. Help me out. You know, you think I should just put the tires on and see how it holds? It might be that. But it still be too low. I think it's the fork. It might be the fork, guys. What do you think? What do you guys think? I might need to change the fork. I don't know. Maybe I gotta change the head on it. Let me see something real quick. Maybe I gotta get this flipped the other way. Maybe it's that. Let's see. Nope, guys, that did not work neither. So I don't know, man. I'm over here working, thinking I'm ahead, but in reality, I'm going back. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here or what. Man. Let me know what you guys think, man, because I don't know if I'm tired, if I'm trying to rush this, or what. This shit is not acting right. Do I just gotta tighten everything? You guys think? But I think it's the fork, man. I don't know. I think it's the fork. Let me try to tighten everything, because everything's loose right now. Everything's loose because, you know, I don't like to tighten everything all at once. I just like to tighten things when I know it's, you know, everything is right. You know, but for right now, I don't know, guys. Just gotta tighten it. See where everything's at. Maybe put the tires on. But still, though, the back will be higher than the front. You know, it might be the fork. What you guys think? You think it's the fork? Do you guys think it's the fork? Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know in the comments. It might be the fork. Do you guys think it's the back? I don't know. I'm thinking it's the fork. I might need to install this fork in there. You know, it's a cool. It'll be a cool trike, man. But it's just I don't know, man. Just It's too low. You can't even pedal, man. I don't know, man. Maybe I just gotta get some sleep. I think, man. I just gotta rest and. Whew, and do I got this part right here? Do I have that right? Is it supposed to be more in the bottom? Man, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I got shit everywhere. I got shit in mess right now because I just been... I thought everything was going good and smoothly, man. For real. Man, I guess it's going to be a part 4, part 3. See you guys later. Alright guys, so what do you think about the video, man? This build is difficult right now for me, you know, cause it is a Schwinn female's frame, but it had, I don't know what's going on with it. You know, I don't know if it's too small, if it's the fork, if it's the trike kit. I don't know what's going on, but we will figure it out. With you guys help, you know, if y'all could give me any advice of how to get this started or what's going on, why it's too low. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe it needs to get tightened. I'm not too sure, but we will figure this out together, guys. All right. So there will be another part to this video. So like I said, guys, we're gonna be working on this together. I feel like the lowrider culture, the lowrider scene, anything with lowrider, man, it's like we all in this together. You feel me, guys? Especially you guys, especially y'all. You know, cause you know y'all my familia, and we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this right. Either way, either or we're gonna get it right. But I just want to thank y'all so much, guys, for the love. I just want to thank y'all so much for the support. I appreciate y'all so much. And thank y'all for everything. Like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living, guys. Like I always say too, always pray. Never forget to pray, guys. And always keep your head up, all right? Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all guys so much. God bless y'all. Till my next video. Peace.